Hello everyone, this is Alexandra Montero and I'm going to be showing you how to use and personalize a Feedly account. Now Feedly is a platform that allows you to follow blogs which give you articles and you can read them, and they're mostly about topics that you are interested in, so it's kind of like a personal newspaper, which is kind of cool. Some feeds that have already popped up is social media marketing and it follows blogs based on that topic. Include Quick Sprout, Seth Godin, and the Consultancy blog. But if that's not really something you are into, you can add other feeds that you are definitely more into, and they have so many to choose from. So, one example would include business, and you can definitely follow many more than just a couple. Depends on how many you actually want to read, and you can create a file or a feed, and those articles will pop up for that feed that you choose to make. So let's go ahead and add some business blogs that you can definitely get into and read. And you can also read articles and stuff that just are predominantly about that topic. One would include this, and they have so many articles to choose from. We're going to go with this article, and this article is about the Pepsi company with their advertisements for the Super Bowl. So basically, what they're going to do is they're sponsoring the halftime show for the Super Bowl this year, and they want to get more people's attention. So they're going to go all out for the advertisement, which is a huge business factor when you are a company is all about advertisement, and this is what they're going to do. You can read the full story. It will take you to a link about the full thing. I just want to give you the gist of it, which is they want to go all out just like other companies have for Super Bowls. Yeah, so this is pretty interesting. You can add many more blogs and just about anything that you want. It is basically a personal newspaper, which is very fascinating. You don't have to like everything that everyone else does. So Feedly is really great for making it all about you, and the options are endless. So I am going to wrap it up. Thank you so much for watching and listening, and I really hope you get something out of Feedly. It is a great website to use just to make it all about you. So thank you for listening, and goodbye.